The English Premier League is back with a bang after the FIFA break. So let's get to it, guys. We're previewing the English Premier League weekend matches, starting with the match that is taking place tomorrow, which is the 18th of October on Saturday. It's a match between Nottingham Forest, who are hosting Chelsea at 1:30. At 1:30, let us look at the win probability for Nottingham Forest. It is 25%. Then the draw probability is 25%, and the win probability for Chelsea, it is 50%. Nottingham Forest are currently finding themselves at position 17, and there's a lot of controversy, the firing of coaches that is currently unfolding at Nottingham Forest. They've played 7 matches, they've only collected 5 points, they've got a goal difference of -7. Chelsea are currently at position 7, they've played 7 matches, they've collected 11 points, they've got a goal difference of +4. That is Chelsea. So then let's get to another one that we're having. It's Sunderland. Sunderland are hosting Wolves at 4 o'clock tomorrow, the 18th of October, which is a Saturday. Okay, so let us look. The win probability for Sunderland, it is 39%. Okay, the draw probability is 31%. The win probability for Wolves, it is 30%. Let us look at their league positions. Okay, Sunderland are currently at position number 9. They've played 7 matches. They've collected 11 points. They've got a goal difference of +1. Wolves are currently position 20. They're having their worst season. Okay? They've played 7 matches. They've only collected a mere 2 points. The goal difference, it is -9. Then another match we're having tomorrow at 4 o'clock. It is Burnley who are hosting Leeds United. The two teams are the newly promoted teams. Let us look at them. The win probability for Burnley, it is 29%. Our own Lyle Foster from South Africa is playing for Burnley. The win probability for Burnley is 29%. The draw probability is 29%. The win probability for Leeds United, it is 42%. Another team, of course, that we as South Africans have got ties to, because Phil Masinga and Lucas Radebe, of course, played for Leeds United. Let us look at the league table. Leeds are currently at position 15. They've played 7 matches. They've collected 8 points. They've got a goal difference of -4. Burnley are currently at position number 18. They've played 7 matches. They've collected 4 points. They've got a goal difference of -8. It's not good. I hope they pick themselves. Okay. Then we've got tomorrow again at 4 o'clock. We've got Crystal Palace. Crystal Palace are hosting Bournemouth. The win probability for Crystal Palace, it is 43%. The draw probability is 28%. The win probability for Bournemouth, it is 29%. Let us look at their league positions. Bournemouth are currently at position number 4. Can you imagine? Position number 4. They've played 7 matches. They have collected 14 points. They've got a goal difference of +3. Crystal Palace are currently at position 6. Not so bad. They've played 7 matches. They've collected 12 points. And they've got a goal difference of +4. Okay. Then, okay. Okay, so all right, guys. So you guys go to the comment sections, guys, and give me your predictions, guys, and give me your predictions that whether do you agree with these predictions that I've been giving you in terms of the win probabilities and such. Whether you guys agree or do you have a different view and take in terms of who will do. But we know the biggest match of the weekend. We know that the biggest match of the weekend, it is Liverpool who are hosting Manchester United. That's the biggest match of the weekend. And I've already done a video for that. Just go to my playlist. You'll see the video that I've done where I'm previewing the Liverpool versus Manchester United. Okay. So okay, guys. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Then another match that we're having is Brighton against Newcastle. Brighton are hosting Newcastle. The win probability for Brighton is 37%. The draw probability is 27%. And the win probability for Newcastle is 36%. Let us look at their league table. Where are they on the log? Where are they? Newcastle United currently finding themselves at position 11. They've played 7 matches. They've collected 9 points. They've got a goal difference of +1. Brighton are currently at position 12. They've played 7 matches. They've collected 9 points. They've got a goal difference of 0. Okay, they've got a goal difference of 0. All right. So another one that we are having tomorrow at 4 o'clock again. It is Manchester City who are hosting Everton. Manchester City are hosting Everton tomorrow at 4 o'clock. Of course, Manchester City are currently finding themselves in position 5. They've played 7 matches. They have collected 13 points. They've got goal difference of +9. Everton are currently at position number 8. They've played 7 matches. They've collected 11 points. They've got a goal difference of +2. Okay, that's where they are. Let us look at their win probability. The win probability for Manchester City is the whopping 70%. The draw probability is 18%, and the win probability for Everton it is 12%. Okay, let's get to another one, another fixture. Okay, I'm just getting you guys another fixture. Okay. Another fixture. Okay. Fulham are hosting Arsenal. Arsenal are currently number 1 on the log. Okay. Arsenal are currently finding themselves as number 1 on the log. They've played 7 matches. They've collected 16 points. They've got a goal difference of +11. Fulham are currently at position number 14. They've played 7 matches. They've collected 8 points. They've got a goal difference of -3. Now let us check at the win probabilities for those of you who do bet on these matches. Okay, if you someone who bets on these matches, the win probability for the home team Fulham is 16%. Then the draw probability is 22%. The win probability for Arsenal it is 62%, guys. 62%. Okay, then let us look for another fixture. Okay. Another fixture that we're having, this one is on Sunday. It is Tottenham Hotspur. Tottenham Hotspur are hosting Aston Villa at 3 o'clock on Sunday, the 19th of October. Let us look at the league positions. Starting the win probability for home team, Tottenham Hotspur, it is 46%. The draw probability, it is 26%. And the win probability for Aston Villa, it is 28%. Tottenham Hotspur are currently at position number 3. They've played 7 matches. They've collected 14 points. They've got a goal difference of +8. Aston Villa have played 13 matches. Are currently at position number 13. They've played 7 matches. They've got 9 points. And they've got a goal difference of -1. Okay. Then let us look at another match that is taking place on Sunday. Let's look for another match that is taking place on Sunday. Of course, Liverpool versus Manchester United, the biggest match of the weekend. Liverpool are hosting Manchester United on Sunday at 5:30. The Sunday, which is the 19th of October. Let us look at the win. The win probability for Liverpool is 60%. The draw probability is 21%. And the win probability for Manchester United it is 19%. Let us look at the league table. Liverpool are currently at position number 2. They've played 7 matches. They've collected 15 points. They've got a goal difference of +4. Man United are currently at position 10. They've played 7 matches. They've collected 10 points. And they've got a goal difference of -2. Now, let's look at the last match of the round. Our last match of the round, which is the 8, match day number 8. Because the preview and the predictions that we are doing right now, it is for match day number 8. Okay. So let us look at the last match of this round. Just trying to find you the last match of this round. It is Brent rather okay. Let's look at this. Let us look at it. Then yes, it is West Ham who are hosting Brentford. The win probability for West Ham it is 39%. The draw probability is 28%, and the win probability for Brentford it is 33%. Okay, let us look at the league table where the two teams. Brentford are currently position number 16. They've played 7 matches. They've collected 7 points. They've got a goal difference of -3. West Ham are currently position number 19. They've played 7 matches. They've collected 4 points. They've got a goal difference of -10. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Tebos Kosana. Let's meet again next week, Friday, doing the same thing. We're previewing the matches, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in.